Hello, Anthony. Last night, you called me and you wanted to talk with me.
Yes, teacher. First of thank you for coming. I wanted to talk with you privately.
Well, I know that. You didn't tell me what's the reason? Is everything okay?
Yes, teacher, everything is good. I called you here for another reason, and that is my English.
English? If you had a question about English, you could ask me in the classroom?
I knew it, sir. You would ask me this question. The problem is my shyness.
Well, I know you are a shy person. That's okay. So how can I help you now?
I want to improve my English, but I don't like reading books or writing. I found these boring.
Haha. Don't worry. That's a common problem for every student. Student wants to learn English without reading or writing. There must be a solution that can work for you. What do you like to do in your free time?
I spent my free time watching movies. Sometimes, I spend my entire day just watching.
That's awesome. Why don't you try to learn English while you watch movies or series?
I heard about this, but I never tried to learn it. I feel it's difficult. I don't know how.
It's possible. You need to know the correct way. I will tell you how can you learn.
Sure, sir. I am excited to know this.
By watching movies, we can improve listening skills. There is no doubt for sure. You can also learn new vocabulary. I should talk about the correct way to learn English with movies. You don't need to understand everything. It will be a frustrating experience. Just try to catch the words and grammar points that you already know and those you are not familiar with.
Do you mean I should pause the video if I don't understand anything?
No, not at all. Don't do that. You should keep watching and enjoy without captions. You might feel bored because you see the captions again and again.
Then, how should I watch it?
Initially, try to watch the movie without a caption, and the second time you can watch with subtitles. The more you rewatch, the more you can focus on the speech because you already know what is happening in every scene. Instead of focusing on what is happening, you can give more attention to what you hear. Suppose you don't have enough time to rewatch the movie, then listen to the film audio. How can you do that?
Yes, sir. How?
It's simple. Just download it as an audio file and save it. Let her listen to them while doing other things. Do you know you can remember a lot of words and grammar by watching movies? And don't forget to make notes when you learn new vocabulary.
Thank you so much, teacher. I wanted to know something. What did you do to improve your English?
Well, I used to watch movies and sometimes comedy shows or talk shows, which I liked most. Still, I enjoy comedy shows. I can entertain myself and can improve my English as well. I can suggest you something new like animated movies or podcasts. I found animated movies easier because it's easy to understand actual actors and actresses. You will notice they use simple words. If you want to relax, then a classic animated film that you know well can be a great way to spend your free time.
That's nice tips, sir. How can I improve my confidence?
Well, I can relate to this very well. I used to face this problem in the past. First thing, if you want to gain confidence in English, then do practice more and more. Stay calm and speak slowly. I see. Some people speak too fast and they try to show off how fluent they are. It doesn't mean you speak fast. You are good at English. Another thing is don't pressurize yourself. If someone talking in front of you, just listen. Don't start thinking what about reply. If the person finishes, then take a breath and start talking.
Thank you, sir. You helped a lot.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.